This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description.
In this video, we are talking about the essentials we use when making cake pops. When you make cake pops, having the right equipment to make nice, beautiful, even, smoothly coated cake pops is essential, right? So there's a couple of things that you're probably going to want to invest in. Either some Pyrex or other microwave safe measures for heating your melts in the microwave, right? Or if you're going to do a lot, a little warming pot. This will allow you to softly and safely heat and melt those down in there, right? The other thing are candy melts. They're an easy to melt product, right? So they're not technically chocolate, but they're generally either white or dark chocolate or milk flavored, right? And you can heat them up in the microwave and you don't need to temper them. Occasionally you will find a few consistency issues and you'll find some that are a little harder to melt. You can make that job easier by using a little vegetable shortening or another product called Paramount Crystals. As far as sticks go, there's a wide variety of paper popsicle sticks that you can use, right? They come in a variety of lengths. Our preferred is 8-inch, but they sell 4, 6, 12, and there's also a variety of other options like clear plexi ones and ones with rhinestones and all sorts of fun stuff. I typically keep some sheet trays lined with parchment for when I'm scooping, rolling, inserting the sticks, etc. And when I'm actually scooping them, I use a number 50 portion scoop. This ensures nice, even portions that you can roll into balls that'll be all really similar. And when I'm dipping and letting them set up, I use craft blocks of foam. I have the green color. It also comes in white. You can kind of puncture little holes so you get nice, even spacing, and your pops have good airflow to dry and won't knock together. And this covers the essential basics we use when making cake pops.
If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingSchool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.